Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm going to present about my AGR499 subtopic, which is photosynthesis start and the environmental adaptation. First of all, let me introduce myself first. So my name is Muhammad Adam Haris bin Muhammad Nazrul Hizam, and my student ID is 2026132747, and I'm from the class of M380240-B. First, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the important process of the plant which allow plant to convert light energy into the chemical energy for the purpose of the survival and growth. This process occurs in the chloroplast. If you need to understand what is photosynthesis, you have to know that plant use carbon dioxide, water and sunlight to produce glucose as the main product and oxygen as the waste product. So this is the equation of the photosynthesis process, which is 6 carbon dioxide combined with 6 water plus sunlight, which produce glucose and oxygen. First, let's talk about the C3 pathway. C3 pathway of the photosynthesis is the most common type of the photosynthesis, and it is used by 85% of the plant. This process take place in the mesophyll cell. In this C3 pathway, the carbon dioxide are fixed into the 3 molecule compound, which is 3-phosphoglycerate or 3-PGA. C3 plant grow best in the cold and moist condition. However, in the hot temperature, photorespiration might happen. If the photorespiration happen, the efficiency of the photosynthesis might be low. So this is the example of the C3 plant, which is peanut and paddy. Now let's move on to the C4 pathway. So in this pathway, carbon dioxide is fixed first to 4 molecule compound, which is called oxaloacetate. In this process, the C4 pathway, it have a special separation, where the first fixation occur in the mesophyll cell before moving to the bunch of the sheep cell. C4 plant are adapt to the hot and sunny environment. This pathway help to reduce photorespiration, making it more efficient than the C3 pathway under high temperature. The example of the plant is the corn, sorghum and sugarcane. Next is CAM pathway, which stand for the crucial acid metabolism. CAM plant take in carbon dioxide at night and store it as a malic acid during the day. The stomata remain closed to reduce the water loss. The stored malic acid then release carbon dioxide inside the plant for the Calvin cycle to produce glucose using sunlight. This adaptation help plant to conserve water efficiently, especially in hot and dry environment. The example of the CAM plant are pineapple, aloe vera and cactus. This slide show the comparison between the C3 pathway, C4 pathway and CAM pathway. First, I will explain about the C3 pathway. The C3 pathway plants are suitable for cool and moist condition, but are less efficient in hot weather because of photorespiration. Meanwhile, C4 plant are more efficient in hot and sunny conditions because they can reduce photorespiration through spatial separation. And for the CAM plant, it is very special because the CAM plant are highly adapt to dry environment because they open their stomata only at night to reduce the water loss. And now I will talk about factors affecting photosynthesis. There are several factors that affecting the rate of the photosynthesis. The first one is light. Light is important because sunlight provides the energy needed for the plant to ensure the photosynthesis process. Number 2 is carbon dioxide. As you can know, the higher carbon dioxide concentration, the higher the rate of photosynthesis. Number 3 is temperature. Temperature is important because it can also affect enzyme activity during the photosynthesis. Number 4 is water. Water is important because it is one of the raw material in the photosynthesis process. Number 5 is mineral. Mineral is the nutrient that help plant to maintain healthy growth and chlorophyll production. Number 6 is leaf age. Leaf age can influence the photosynthesis because younger and healthier leaf can make the photosynthesis and have more chlorophyll. Lastly, carbohydrate translocation. It is effect on how food produced is transported throughout the plant. In conclusion, photosynthesis is an essential process that enables plant to produce food and energy using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. Plants have developed different photosynthetic pathways, which is namely C3, C4, and CAM to adapt to different type of environmental conditions. Among these pathways, the CAM pathway is specially adapted for hot and dry conditions because it can reduce water by opening stomata at night and closing them during the day. This adaptation helps plants to survive efficiently while maintaining the process of photosynthesis.